This is how you make an easy seafood boil in the oven. Check this out. Cut your potatoes into quarters and set them to the side. If you're a G, break your corn in half, or you can just use a knife. Boil your corn and potatoes for 15 minutes. Next, slice up your andouille sausage and then peel and devein your shrimp. In a large bowl, dump your corn and potatoes, add your sausage and shrimp, and then some butter. Add some minced garlic, and then for flavor, we're using that straight drop seafood boil. Get it from UncleDibs.com. On a baking sheet, grab some heavy duty foil, make it into a boat so it don't spill over the sides, and dump your seafood in that boat. Cover and bake at 425 for 25 minutes. Dress that thing up with some parsley, fresh lemon, you know what to do. Only thing left to do is to grab a plate, shawty. That's good, shawty.